Thank you. Gracias. We followed CWD, also known as Community Waste Disposal. They moved through collecting some pretty heavy trash here in Corinth, Texas. It's about 5 o'clock, and this town, from my understanding, is a hybrid town, meaning they pick up trash in the morning, or supposedly dump and then collect the recycling in the afternoon. But it seems like things are running behind because it's a hot day, or it's really heavy, or it's got a huge route. But it seems as though that was just finishing up the trash route. Then these guys have to dump and come back for recycle. Luckily, there's already a couple trucks on recycle in this town, so they shouldn't work incredibly late, but they'll probably be out here till 7 or 8 o'clock. This is a unique town for CWD because it's once a week trash, but it's annual. And I believe this is one of 3 towns like that. The other one being Forney, and there's also another HOA out that way that I think would fall into the same category. One of the cool things about CWD is the cart variety. Historically, they only bought toter, primarily EVR2s. Then they, periodically mix some rare rigs and autos into the mix. But now you really see CWD with a really good mix of rare rig, auto, toter. Now they're even adding, by the way, don't copyright me on that music, I'm just walking by it. Now they're even adding Schaefer SSI into the mix. It's pretty cool to see. Really excited to see some 60 SSI Schaefers from CWD. Hopefully those come to be. It's a little darker blue than usual for CWD. There's a toter EVR3. I've been told that was a short-lasting purchase for them, and they're pretty much exclusively Schaefer rare rig down there. But seeing how much they bounce back and forth between carts, I'm sure they'll be moving in, on, and around to different carts. Hopefully we can find some more trucks out here in Corinth. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video coming out tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks, guys.